Hey guys, good morning. So news actually just came out that Phantom, the crypto and the network just got hacked. I got news from a couple people that are from the Patreon and our chat that people are losing an insanely ridiculous amount of money. I know there's people that said that they've lost upwards of a couple of 100,000 tokens, which I don't know how much that equates to, but it's definitely people are losing hundreds of thousands of dollars right now. So it's kind of insane to think about that Phantom got hacked. And I mean, I don't know how much the price is going to drop, but the fact that Phantom got hacked and you have all these people, all these holders losing hundreds of thousands of tokens, like just all around like that is pretty insane. I don't know what's going to happen to the network or what exactly is going on as of right now. I just do know that it's been confirmed that Phantom as of now has been hacked. And the losses right now, I'm not really sure what the losses are going to be like, but it does seem like a lot of people are losing hundreds if not thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars right now. Especially, I can't imagine for the top holders of Phantom either, who are possibly losing millions and millions of dollars on top of that. So I'll see you guys later. I'll probably post more as more information comes out, but Phantom hacked, people losing a boatload of money. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.